We see a lot of designers mix colors together and wonder that, wow, why didn't I see that these colors could match, right? I was once in your shoes, honestly. A lot of colors match and you don't even know it. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to understand the color wheel and how you can understand how to combine many colors together to achieve a beautiful outfit. Hello, my name is Winnie and you're welcome to the channel. So if this is what interests you, keep on watching, like, share and subscribe. Without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
There are lots and lots of colors in this world and it might be overwhelming if you just want to pick colors anyhow and just dress up your outfit. It might be looking weird, but once you understand how to read the color wheel, you'll be able to know colors that can match each other and you'll be able to match many colors together. Let's start with the complementary color. The colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, are complementary colors. That is, moving from this point to this point, or this point to this point, or this point to that point. Any part that is facing each other, opposite to each other, are complementary colors and they match. All right. We also have the analogous colors, that is, colors that are side by side. 3 colors side by side on the color wheel are analogous and they match. So I'm going to be explaining further. What I'm trying to say is that from this point to this point, they are going to be matching. All the colors on that point match, and all other places on the color wheel that are side by side from this point to that point or this point to that point, 3 colors that are side by side each other on the color wheel also will match. All right, so those are the analogous. Number 3, we also have the monochromia, that is colors of the same shade that goes as they faint. Colors of the same shade, that it can be blue or purple or orange. There are different shades of orange and there are different shades of blue, there are different shades of purple. So all the shades of purple, either faint or deep, are they are going to be matching. Using the color wheel, this is what I'm talking about. This is color blue. Now all this color blue here are going to be matching, and it applies to all other colors on the color wheel also. We also have different other ones. We have the triadic, the rectangular. We've talked about the analogous, we've talked about the monochromic and complementary. So now let's talk about the triadic. The triadic is what you can see in this form now. It looks like a triangle, so any color that forms a triangle like this one that you are seeing on the color wheel will also match. That means blue and yellow and red are going to be matching, and you can also pick another one from the color wheel that will form a triangle which is going to match. Just draw a triangle on your color wheel and then it is going to match. Same applies to the square and rectangle also, just as you can see in this picture here. We also have the split complementary, that is 3 colors that match side by side and one facing it, that will form something like a triangle. And then we have the analogous complementary, which is also similar to the split complementary. So in order for you not to be confused, I would advise that you start with the first 3 basic ones that I taught you earlier, which are the monochromic, the complementary and the analogous. Once you can use that very well, you'll be able to also apply the others. And this has also helped me to mix colors in various ways, and I have always been able to understand the color wheel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Till I see you in the next one, I want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.
Papa.